Welcome to the Roller Coasters EI3 3.2 Curves Mini Coaster Individual Activity Directions Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build this miniature roller coaster. Now we're in section 3.2. Before this lesson, install the batteries for the younger campers right here. Older campers can install their own batteries. Just unscrew this and put them in. It's easier to do this first, otherwise you're going to have a bunch of stuff on top and you won't be able to set it down like that. Then you just put it back on. Now on to step 1. This is the first piece we're going to be putting on. You're going to be matching up the pegs along this curve. So right here, right here, right here, and here. So you put it in, push them down. There it is, nice and secure. Then you're going to take this, remove all these from the frame. They just pop out like that. So now we're going to put on this piece, the little swirl. On here, you're going to be putting the longest one. Just put it in. Then for this one in the middle, you're going to do the short. And then on the outside here, going to do the middle one. So now we're going to place the swirly part on the base. This back piece is going to plug in right here in the back. This piece is going to plug right here. And then the last one is on the outside. You can see how it goes in. Next, we're going to take the last piece of track right here and take these last little tiny pieces and put them in. They're the same size, so either one. Just one right there, and then one right there. And the piece is going to go right in here, but this part curving over the track. So you put the back piece in, and there's another little spot over here. You put the front piece in. And that's that piece. For this next step, we're going to be attaching the wheel and the scoop to the U-shaped pole. The important thing about this U-shaped pole is that there is a larger peg and a smaller peg that you use to put it into the base. You need the larger peg on the right, or else it's going to be facing the wrong way when you put it in. So, take the scoop and you put it in these middle two slots here. See? Then you take the wheel and you put it in the top slots. See? Here's the big peg, and then there's the small peg. You place it in. It'll be facing you like so. For this next step, we're going to take the upside down L-shaped ramp and attach the guide and the flapper to it. For the flapper, there's these little pegs on the bottom of it. You're going to put them into these tiny holes. Like so. Then this guide is going to go on like this. And this goes onto this pole. And then you insert it on this back part right here. Now we're going to build the corkscrew. This part, the little flag, should be at the top. The square part of the corkscrew goes into the base when we're complete. So you take this, the flag at the top, put the other piece on, and then this donut goes on top and secures it. Now we're going to put the corkscrew inside the base. The square has to line up with this square, and then the tabs right here have to line up with these tabs. So you might have to twist the square to get them to go into the tabs. And then you push down and you twist. If it gets stuck, see, now it's lined up. You just have to push down a little bit, and then it should be done. To turn on your roller coaster, there's this little switch. In the middle, it's off. To the right, it's on with sound. And then to the left, it's on with no sound. So you might want to have the kids turn it to the left so you don't have a bunch of roller coasters making noise while they're playing. Then just drop these into the roller coaster and you can watch it keep going. And if you've built it right, they'll just keep circling the coaster. To change the path of the ball, you just adjust this flapper. Sometimes the ball's gonna fall off the track no matter what because it's not perfect. Went too fast there. But if anything seems like it's getting stuck, make sure to press in these poles because things might be rubbing together or blocking the flow of motion if you don't have them all the way in.